Just a tip. Just a tip. Pero nasa sa inyo pa rin yung kung anong gusto nyo. Basta nagtitip lang ako. Hello everyone! It's Kate again. So welcome back to my channel. Sadly guys, natanggalin ko na yung intro ko kasi, you know, everything has changed for a reason. Marami nagtatanong sa akin kung ano bang gamit kong editor for my vlogs. Ano bang magandang editor app on iOS and Android? Meron bang free editor app na walang watermark? Sasagutin natin yan, guys. Disclaimer lang, this is not a sponsored video and I am not a professional editor. I just want to help you guys to edit your videos, vlogs, sa mga gusto maging YouTuber. Without further ado, let's get started! Noong nag-start ako mag-YouTube, ang gamit kong editor app is Filmora Go sa Android phone ko kasi wala pa akong laptop nun at wala pa akong kaalam-alam sa pag-edit ng vlogs or video. So, Filmora Go app, napaka-basic niyang editor app. Meron siya sa iOS and Android, but sadly, meron siyang watermark. Filmora Go, you can set themes, add music or background music. You can add transitions, you can change ratio, crop, you can trim your video, you can add subtitle or titles. You can layer in photo, not video. Sadly, photo lang, walang video. You can add voiceovers, filters, or you can change speed. The pros of using this Filmora Go app is you can remove watermark with alternative app. Ginagamit ko yung video zip pang trim nung mismong inedit kong video sa Filmora Go app kasi yung watermark ng Filmora Go app ay nasa dulo lang. You can trim your edited video. Pros of Filmora Go app is very basic niya at kayang-kaya ng mga beginner na mag-edit ng kanilang vlog or videos. The cons of using Filmora Go app, you can make multi-layering. Ang multi-layering ay you can add your main video, a video with a background color, with a text, with a photo in just one frame. So, sadly, hindi kaya yun ng Filmora Go app. Kaya, ang kaya niya lang i-layer ay your main video and your photo or sticker or green screen effect. Yeah, yun lang yung kaya niya. Hindi niya kayang mag-add ng video ng isa pang video sa isang frame. Nag-gets nyo ba? So, ang cons pa ay lahat ng tinitrim mong videos at ina-add mo doon sa mismong platform sa Filmora Go app ay nag-automatically fade yung audio. Kaya, ang dapat yung gawin doon ay mag-cut kayo ng allowance, then bago kayo mag-add ng another video with allowance din para hindi mag-fade or makat yung mga sinasabi nyo kasi sayang tsaka ang pangit yung pakinggan. At napakasimple kasi ng Filmora Go app, hindi siya more on professional editing app. Currently, ang editing software ko ay Sony Vegas Pro 13. Hiningi ko lang yan sa kaibigan ko. Kung nanonood ka, salamat sa'yo. Salamat. At wala akong kalam-alam sa software na yon nung una ko siyang ginamit. Ang alam ko lang, mag-trim ng video, mag-cut, mag-add ng text, at mag-add ng transition, yun lang. Pero habang tumatagal na ginagamit ko yung software, marami ako natututunan kung paano gamitin, kung paano mag-add, kung paano ba to, ganyan, ganyan. So, maraming learnings kapag mag-edit ka ng video. Sony Vegas Pro 13, hindi siya yung pinaka-latest na software, pero okay na rin for editing your videos kasi okay na. Marami ka na magagawa doon. Basta nood ka lang mga tutorial kung paano ba yung mga transition, kung paano mo gamitin, kung paano mo mag-add, layering, filter, color grading. Yeah, kasi marami na rin ako nagagawa sa software na yon, mga project ko sa school for videos, pero okay na rin. The basic video editing apps on iOS is Filmo. And I am happy to know that wala siyang watermark. Filmo is a basic app for streaming your videos. You can add an overlay, green screen effect, or stickers with transparent background. You can add effects like film, 8mm, something na ganun. meron siyang bayad actually, yung subscription ng Filmo, pero meron naman free na pwede mong gamitin. You can add filters, like for example, vintage style. You can add music, background music, and you can add sound effects and titles. Filmo video editing app. Hindi siya pwede mag-multi-layering, sadly, again. But you can add photo on your video to present what you want to present. But cannot adjust the size of the picture. The second one is a pocket video. Wala rin siyang watermark. And this is the basic and the best app for composition. You can add titles, stickers, and GIFs. You can add video and photo in the same frame. Yeah. You can add green screen effect like chroma key or transparent background. You can add music or background music, sound effect, and you can draw in your video. The next one is Premiere Rush. So, para siyang Adobe Premiere. And good news guys, wala siyang watermark. Premiere Rush, nakitaan ko siya ng magandang feature na editing app. Kasi para ka ng pro kapag mag-edit doon. Kasi multi-layering. This is the flexible editor app talaga. Kaya, recommend ko yung Premiere Rush sa mga iOS users. You can add music, background music, sound effects, and you can add filters. You can adjust your videos. Can also add transitions. Madali siyang gamitan na editor app, kaya I recommend Premiere Rush. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-download ng free video editing app na walang watermark. Go to your internet browser or Google Chrome or internet, basta browser. Dami pang sinasabi. Internet browser. Go to your internet browser, type Panda Helper. Yung pinakaunang link, Panda Helper. Click download. And it starts to download. Let's wait until it's downloaded. So kapag natapos na siya mag-download, click Panda Helper and click install. Click open. Once you open, click on the search bar and type KineMaster and click this. The KineMaster video editor. Click get. And it started to download. Okay, magda-download pa tayo ng isa pang editor app. Click on the search bar, type Power Director and click get. Nag-download na yung dalawa nating app. Nag-install na yung KineMaster natin. Click install. Yung Power Director is ongoing. And allow. Patanong, hindi sure. Allow? Wala siyang virus guys. Wala siyang virus. So, tapos na rin mag-download yung Power Director. Click install. Tapos na nga mag-download yung dalawang video editor app. Let's try on KineMaster. Let's open and tingnan natin kung wala ba talaga siyang watermark. Kasi hindi rin ako sure. Ngayon lang ako nag-download nito. So, start. Okay, add natin 16:9. And so happy guys, wala siyang watermark. ito na yung video na inedit natin. Panoorin natin. Yan! Wala na nga siyang watermark. So, let's try on Power Director. So, ito na yung inedit natin sa Power Director. Power Director. At wala siyang watermark. And so, I will share to you guys some tips on how to edit your vlog. First one, your music on your intro and outro should not be super loud. Kailangan minimize lang yung volume kasi sakit niya sa tenga. Like for example, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kate. Did a full one. Ganun ang mangyayari. Ang tendency nun, i-skip ng viewer yung intro mo. Trim and cut is a basic editing process. For example, you have 5 minutes video, pero yung importante lang din is 1 minute at inad mo pa rin yung 4 minutes sa mismong video mo. Yung 4 minutes na yun ay puro dead air lang. So, kailangan mo i-cut yun. It's basic. Kailangan mo i-cut kahit segundo lang yung kahit 0.01, kahit 0.25 seconds at puro dead air, kailangan mo i-cut yun kasi para iwas boring sa video mo. Background music on your video. Mamili ka ng background music na gusto mo na appropriate doon sa gusto mong mood ng video mo. Yung audio ng voice mo, kailangan hindi na overpower ng background music. For example, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be a tutorial on how to edit your vlog. Sobrang hina na nga ng boses mo, sobrang lakas pa ng background music mo. Ang tendency nun, wala na maintindihan sa sinasabi mo, sayang naman. Kung hindi naman maiwasan na sobrang hina talaga ng audio dahil sa phone lang ng gamit ang pang-vlog, just add subtitle on your video. Medyo nakakatamad lang mag-add ng subtitle kasi sobrang matyaga niya mag-add. Every words dapat nakalagay sa baba ng video mo. At in case, tip number 4, yung sound effects. Kailangan hindi yung nakakagulat na sobrang lakas na sound effects. Para napaka-OA nung sound effects, mamili ka ng sound effects na dapat tugma doon sa video mo. Kasi kung hindi tugma, ewan kong sakit ng ulo ko. And that's it for this vlog. Kung may tanong kayo or suggestion for my next vlog, just comment below. Malapit na tayo mag 1K subscribers. Kapit lang. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want more tutorials like this one, share my vid. Because you know, yeah, and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video. Bye!